backdrops in Scratch. How can we use them to make a project in Scratch? How can we make or create them? We will learn in today's video. Hello everyone, Akshtam here. Welcome to another video. So let's begin. What are sprites? Sprites are the main characters of the project. They are designed to do something in the project. How to create, import or take a sprite in Scratch. There is a sprite button here. Over the mouse pointer, over it, and then select the paint option. Now here you can paint a sprite with help of colors and these tools. There are also some sprites given in Scratch. Over the mouse pointer, the sprite button and select search. These are the sprites given in Scratch. You can use them also. Now the main thing is how to import the image or sprite in Scratch. Over the mouse pointer to the sprite button, and there is an option to upload a sprite. Click on it and upload a sprite from your computer. For example, I uploaded a plant sprite from my computer. Remember one thing, the image that you have uploaded should be a PNG image or a JPEG image. Now, next are backdrops. What are backdrops? A backdrop is an image that can be shown on the stage. A stage is the background of any project. All the sprites have a particular position on the stage. There is a button of backdrops too. Here you can do the same thing as you can do with sprite button. You can search, you can paint, or you can upload. Go to the backdrops, you should click this. And there are backdrops. And to go again to the site, click on this. Now we are going to make a simple project using sprites and backdrops. So first we will go to the backdrop and make an amazing backdrop. Now we are going to take a sprite make it go to x0 and y0. Now we are going to code when it go to x and y0. Move 10 steps and then say hello for 2 seconds. Now we are going to make a simple clicker project using sprites and backdrops. So we can take a backdrop and we can take this. Now we are going to take the banana sprite and let's code on. Forever, go to random position, wait 1 second. And now, banana is changing its position. Now we are going to make a variable, which is going to be 4. We can make it a larger result. now you can make projects using sprites and backgrounds. Over for now. Now you know how to use the sprites and backdrops, how to create and import them. So we will meet in the next video. Subscribe, like and comment. Bye.